Check the saw blade and clamp of the saw bed before working. Now make corrections. The clamp position is too low and needs adjustment. Adjust the distance between the clamp and the working table. The height should match the workpiece height. The clamp should press on the workpiece to prevent it from moving or vibrating. Once the position is confirmed, secure it with a nut. Ensure the clamp is parallel to the working table, if the presser foot and saw blade are not aligned. Make adjustments. Loosen the elbow screw. After loosening, proceed accordingly. Adjust the elbow clamp and saw blade position. Then tighten. If the distance is too far, loosen the nut and move the clamp forward. Once positioned, tighten the nut. Ensure the saw blade is properly set. Prepare the workpiece. Turn on the equipment. Press the workpiece flat on the table with both hands. Keep both hands close to the pressure block. Spindle saw blades ensure safe operation won't injure hands. Slowly move it forward to cut. When turning, hold the board and continue cutting until finished. Cutting is complete. Wrong demonstrations. 1. Single-handed operation. 2. Both hands leave the working table. 3. Do not pull backwards during operation. If a cutting error occurs, slowly retract along the original path. Resume cutting according to the pattern. 03. Move backward during operation. Remember to vacuum clean after each use. This better extends the equipment's service life.